Let's begin by understanding why data storytelling is becoming such a critical skill today. Every organization is generating data, but very few are able to communicate it effectively. And that's exactly where tools like Microsoft Copilot come in. In this session, we'll explore how you can transform raw data into compelling PowerPoint narratives. Not just faster, but smarter, sharper, and more business-focused. Now, think about how you currently create presentations. You collect data, build charts, try to interpret insights, and then struggle to explain them clearly. Copilot changes that entire workflow. It connects raw data directly to meaningful narratives. As shown here, it doesn't just visualize data. It adds context, highlights insights, and suggests direction. This is where automation meets business storytelling. But here's where most people go wrong. They give very generic prompts, something like, make a slide about sales. And naturally, the output is also generic, unclear, and not useful for decision-making. AI works best when you guide it properly, with clarity, intent, and structure. Otherwise, you're just getting surface-level outputs, not real insights. So how do we fix this? We use a simple but powerful framework: context, task, and constraint. First, define who you are and who the audience is. Then clearly state what you want Copilot to do. And finally, set boundaries, format, length, or structure. This is what converts a basic output into a professional business deliverable. Let's apply this with our first use case. Instead of asking for a generic summary, we assign a role like a senior business analyst. Then we specify the task, identify revenue drivers and outliers. And finally, we define the format, a clean executive summary slide. This level of clarity ensures the output is sharp, relevant, and decision-ready. Now moving to visualization. Most people just ask for a chart, but that's not enough. Here, we clearly define what variables to compare, sales versus marketing spend. We also specify the chart type and even highlight what matters, the highest ROI. This transforms a basic chart into a story with a clear takeaway. Let's go deeper into analysis. In one case, we compare year-over-year performance across categories. Not just what happened, but why it happened. In another case, we generate insights for a specific team, like retention. And most importantly, we add the so what factor, translating data into business impact. Now think long-term. Data is not just about the present, it's about patterns over time. Here, we analyze 5-year trends to identify seasonality. And more importantly, prepare for predictable dips, like a Q3 slowdown. This is where data storytelling becomes strategic, not just descriptive. At this point, you might be realizing something. These prompts are not just shortcuts, they are skill multipliers. Mastering them means you're not just creating slides, you're influencing decisions, guiding strategy, and positioning yourself as someone who understands both data and business. Now let's connect insights to action. It's not enough to analyze data. We must recommend next steps. Here, we generate actionable recommendations and even prioritize them. Then we move into forecasting, predicting future trends based on historical data. This is where AI starts supporting real business planning. Next, we focus on what truly matters. Instead of overwhelming slides, we highlight the big 3 KPIs, using bold visuals, clear numbers, and minimal text. This ensures that decision-makers instantly grasp what's important. Clarity always beats complexity. Now let's talk about storytelling structure. A great presentation is not a collection of slides, it's a narrative. Using the situation complication resolution framework, we guide the audience from context to problem to solution. This is how you make your data memorable and persuasive. And finally, every good story must end with a clear ask. Here, we summarize risks, highlight key insights, and then confidently propose an action, like a budget increase. Because the goal of data storytelling is not just to inform, it is to drive decisions. So what separates a good slide from a great one? It's not the tool, it's the thinking behind the prompt. Generic prompts give generic outputs, but structured prompts turn AI into a strategic partner. That's the real shift you need to make. And with that, you're now ready to take your first step. From creating slides to crafting impactful data stories. If you want to go deeper and truly master AI-driven analytics, this is just the beginning of your journey. Let's start building the future with data and with AI.